Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm doing a review on the Ying 5-inch video baby monitoring system. Now I wanted to start the video by showing you the system that I'm upgrading from. So I used to have this Motorola system, had a 3.5-inch display. It worked okay, but one of my gripes with it was always that the screen is too small. It's so hard for me to see my baby and really see what's going on in there. And so this is one of the reasons why I love the Ying system, because you get such a bigger screen that really allows you to see more of what's going on with your baby. That's obviously something that's so important, especially for new parents and with new babies. Like, you want to know that they're okay. You don't want to just see like a silhouette of a baby. You want to be able to see detail and know that like they're sleeping comfortable and everything is good. So this is one of the reasons why I love the Ying system. It's just that large, beautiful display that really allows you to see everything. You are able to zoom in as well, and it just kind of gives you more peace of mind when your baby is sleeping. So that's the first thing I really loved about it. The second thing is some of the extras you get that you don't normally get, which my system didn't have before, which is it has special tracking. So there's a tracking button you can press that will help you find where your baby is. Also, it does have manual controls as well, so you can manually control the camera and you can move it. So either you hit the tracking button, it'll help to find your kid, or you can use the manual controls to move the camera in a full 360 view. You can go up, you can go down, so it has the panning as well. So it's not just good for when your baby's asleep, but if your baby's in their room playing, you can also, pan the camera, over to the other side of the room and make sure that they're okay. So I think this is a system that can really follow you from baby to toddler to, the older stages, because it won't just be stationary on one spot. You can easily move it with the on-screen controls here. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on so you guys can just take a look at it. I do have it set up right now. We did mount it as well, and there's a picture of the mount, and we were able to mount it right in the corner of the room, so it's got a great view of the crib, as well as we can again use the panning to see different parts of the room as well. So just to show you, I'm gonna do a quick zoom here so we can see different parts of the room. And it's just one of the cool things, again, like being able to see all that's going on. Now obviously she's sleeping right now, so there will be no need to do panning, but when she's awake and she's playing in the room, then that's when you'd want to move it around and kind of see different angles. So that's one of the things I definitely love about it. And so the panning and the tracking, that's the second thing. The third thing is going to be, it has a really cool setting in the menu here. Excuse me. So it does have a power save mode. So if you go down and you go to the settings, you can actually go down to power saving, and this will basically allow you to stretch your battery. By turning this on, your screen doesn't stay on all the time. It will stretch the battery for you. So maybe you are outside because it has such a long range and you want to make sure that battery lasts a long time. What happens is every 5 seconds the screen will go off, and all you've got to do is just hit the power button to turn it back on. So now the screen isn't on 24/7. It does go off, but you just hit the button when you want to check it, it pops right back on. So you gotta love that. This is, again, a really good feature that helps to stretch that battery even longer. And aside from those three things, I mean, those are the three things that just stood out to me the most. Some of the other cool things that I think moms will really enjoy about this system is the on-screen timer that it has. So one, it does have like the temperature, which you'll find on most systems. It does have a clock right here as well, so it's easy to kind of keep track of the time, or like what time they went down for sleep, things like that. And also you have a feeding timer as well. This is the auto tracking, which I was telling you about earlier, where you can hit it and it will find that you find your kid in the room. And then you also have a lullaby set here as well. You can have it play different songs to kind of help soothe your baby. Now we use a sound machine, so we probably wouldn't use this feature as much, but for those that don't use that, you might want to play some soothing music to help calm your baby down. And it does have the intercom feature as well, so you can actually hit the mic and actually talk and say, hey, lay down, time to go to sleep. You know, you can talk through that and the baby can hear it. So overall, guys, we're very happy with this system, very impressed. This is our new system right here, and we're hoping we can use it for a long time. It's only been a couple of weeks so far, but very happy with it. And what we're going to do is leave a link in the description below so you guys can check it out. This weekend specifically is it is on sale for Cyber Monday or Cyber Week. So if you're thinking about getting one, if yours is going out, if it's time for a new one, definitely encourage you to check this one out. We've had nothing but a great experience and just wanted to share that. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2TechVideos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching. Take care and have a good one.